The best side hustles are the ones that keep working even when you're not. That's exactly what AI Scale Stack was built to do. With AI Scale Stack, you're not chasing trends or posting all day. Instead, you're building an email list, a business asset that works around the clock. The included training shows you how to set everything up step by step, and then the Inbox Ignition Pack makes it even easier. You get four AI bots, one for brand creation, one for audience targeting, one to define your writing style, and one that writes emails in minutes. It's like having a full team helping you run your business, but without the high cost. By spending just minutes a day, you'll have a side hustle that grows on its own and pays you back over time. And if you're on the fence, remember, it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. So why wait? Use my link in the description, grab AI Scale Stock today, and start building a side hustle that keeps growing even while you sleep.